Hey guys, and welcome back to Inside Investing, and today we're going to be buying more VWRL shares, because in the last video we've mentioned that we want to really expand our VWRL shares. Also looking at our portfolio now, we've got a lot of different ETFs, but just not enough VWRL. So in today's video we're going to show you on screen how to buy more VWRL in a very easy way using the platform that we have, the broker that we use, which is DEGIRO. As you know, we've been long-term using DEGIRO, also in our personal investment portfolio. We're also using DEGIRO, so we're very familiar with the platform. It's very easy to understand, and if you also want to start investing, then definitely use the link down in the description to start investing today. Also, we've got multiple videos on our channel as well uploaded, where you can also find out how to start investing, how to set up your broker account. We take you from step one to the last step. So definitely, if you want to see that, then scroll through our channel and then you'll find it out. So guys, if there's any questions, then leave them down in the comments. Also, please give this video a like and also subscribe if you haven't done so already. That supports definitely the growth of our channel, because we want to reach out to as much people as possible and want to really guide as much people as possible to starting investing, because your investment journey can start today, and as we're going to show you today, it's very easy. So let's kick it off, guys. Let's kick off with how to buy more VWRL shares. First off, it starts with ensuring that you have enough money in your broker account. In this case, you see that right here, available to trade. So that's currently around 105 euros. So we've got 105 euros available to trade. If you need to deposit more money, you can do that just by pressing this button, where you can then say deposit. We're not going to be doing that today because we have enough money to buy one share VWRL, which I think is currently trading around 102 or 103 euros. So we should be fine right there. So we should be in the sweet spot and just enough to buy one more share of VWRL. How do we do this? Well, we go back to our portfolio, because we already have VWRL in our portfolio, and we see it right here. So this is the Vanguard FTSE All World UCITS ETF, US dollars, distributing. So we see it standing right here, and we see that we currently own around 5 shares of VWRL, trading at around 102 euros 88 cents. The average price, or the break-even price, so the average buying price that we had was around 96 euros. So already at a plus 6.8% profit. So we're very happy about this. Also shows that this is a very stable performer in our portfolio. Also down below, you by the way see S&P500. We've bought one of these shares in our last videos. So if you haven't seen that video yet, then definitely watch that video after you finish this one. But today we're going to be buying more VWRL. So how do we do this? Well, I'm going to show you right now. It's right here. So we've opened it. We can also quickly have a look at the past year performance. We see the lowest price was around 77 euros, which was somewhere end of September last year, so September 2020. And it's currently trading 102. So that's already quite a significant increase, right? That's around 25 euros increase, which indeed is quite a lot of money in just a year. Not even a year, actually. I think it's around 11 months as of recording this video. So that's very good. I'm very happy to see that this is such a stable performer throughout the whole history, I would say, of VWRL. So we're very happy about that, of course. And that's also why we really want to buy more VWRL. You can also watch until the end of the video, because then we're also going to be quickly showing you which are the top 10 companies included in this ETF, in this bucket of shares, because that's an ETF. It's a bucket of shares. That's, I think, the easiest way of explaining it. In this case, a very large bucket, because there's around 3,600 different companies included. So a very big bucket, but at least a bucket of shares. How do we do this? Well, we're going to be buying. We press the buy button, and then in this case we want to just buy one. Sadly, we can't buy a bit more, but for now one is fine. And we see now the bid and ask price. So the bid price is people, around 14 people currently want to, or 14 shares currently are people want to buy 14 shares at a price of 102 euros and 76 cents. And the asking price, so these are people that want to sell it, quite a bunch, so 569 people want to sell it for 102.80, and I think that's what we're gonna go for right now. As I mentioned before, we're long-term investors, guys, so it doesn't matter too much if you put it a little bit down. If you wait 5 seconds, it goes up a bit, it goes down a bit. Yeah, that's all fine. We honestly don't care. We're long-term investors. And as you see, if you've bought it right here, then and if you bought it at the 102.22 or 0.21, it's just a few cents. Doesn't matter too much. What we want to do, we apply dollar cost averaging, DCA, and we invest in the long term. So we expect that in a few years, we're gonna have quite a good profit on our investment. And that's what we're going for. We're not day traders. We're not spending time on a daily basis looking at how the price is performing. No, we just have a look at it once in a while, mainly when we do these portfolio updates on our channel. But for now, we're gonna be buying it for 102.8. So I've entered that. You can also see the current position and you see a few of the pricing data, but for now 102.8. So we're going to be placing the order. It's going to take a while to load apparently, but there we are. Now we can see the margin impact. So we see that we currently have 105 euros available, 105 euros available. But after this trade, we would have 2 euros and 67 cents, which of course is perfect, guys. So we're still in the plus. We have a little bit of money left, and we can add that to our next time that we buy a bit more shares. Of course, we try to do this on a monthly basis. So each and every month, we try to put a bit of money, around 100 to 180 euros in the portfolio to expand it over time, as you can see right here. So we're going to be now confirming the order and it's executed. So you see it directly on top of the screen. We can push the view button and there we see, guys, you see that we also previously bought the S&P 500 share, but now you see that VWRL is also included here. And if we quickly go to our portfolio, then yes, indeed, we see there are currently 6 shares of VWRL, FTSE All World Usage ETF from Vanguard included in our portfolio. So we're very happy to see that we now at least have 6 shares of VWRL instead of 5. That's of course a bit better. Let's have a quick look at the day profit. So currently we made around 63 euros as of making this video. So that's, I would say, quite good on such a small portfolio for now. Of course, this is going to be growing in the future, so we really want to expand. This needs to go to at least 10 shares of VWRL and 100 and a few hundred preferably in the upcoming few years. So if you want to see that, then please subscribe to the channel. Then you can be updated on a weekly, on a monthly basis on how our portfolio is doing. Also, if you want to help out the channel grow, then please give this video a thumbs up. That also helps out the YouTube algorithm and make sure that this video gets pushed to as much people as possible that might be interested in this. So guys, thanks for watching. And one thing to quickly show you as well, the last quick thing, let me see if it's working. Yes, there we are. Very quick to add here. So we've now bought these, at least these 10 big funds that are included in VWRL. So these are the 10 biggest companies included. This is, by the way, from the Vanguard website itself. So if you just Google Vanguard FTSE All World Usage ETF and go to portfolio data, then you can find this out and you see that currently the number of stocks is 3,618. So that's a lot of different stocks. 3,600 different companies are included. You see quite a lot of Northern America, around 60%, also quite some Europe, Pacific, also some emerging markets. So a lot of different companies, a lot of different regions are included. We're very happy about that. Let's scroll down a little bit to see the sectors. We see technology, consumer, discretionary. We see financials, industrial. So a lot of different sectors are included, and we're very happy, of course, about that. But then down at the bottom, we see the holding details. So these are the 10 biggest holdings in this ETF. And those are mainly Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, Alphabet, which is the mother company of Google, Tesla as well, Nvidia, JP Morgan and Chase, and Taiwan Semiconductors. So a lot of different big companies. These are just the 10 biggest ones included, but as you saw above, there are currently 3,618 different companies included as of the 30th of June 2021. So guys, that's it for today. That's really the end of this video. As mentioned before, subscribe if you haven't done so already, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below any questions or any topics that you want us to cover in the next video, and we'll see you there, guys. Let's go.